Hello, everybody. This is Leveraged Crypto Trader. Um, I am going to give you the basics of this trade system. And I've been trading since 2005, and I've been heavy full time crypto since January 2021. Right now it's June 2022. I am polarizing, and I don't apologize for that. I believe you should just be yourself, and you may love me or hate me. Not too many are going to be neutral. I'm not going to give the stupid, well, sure, I guess I will give it, the stupid government risk disclaimer. I think everybody listening is an adult. Nothing I share is investment advice. If you need a umbilical cord to attach to, and a socialist government to guide you, you're in more trouble already than you think you're in. So, there's the disclaimer out of the way. Let's talk about fundamental trading here in crypto, because a lot of people are doing it wrong. Okay, number one, crypto is where it's at, no doubt about it. That's why I trade crypto now and not the other markets. Leverage trading is a great way to take advantage of these coins that are just pumping like crazy or dropping like crazy. I'm market neutral. I don't really care about it being up or going down. Okay, I care about it lining up with the system, lining up with being fundamental. Number one, only doing at base fundamental trades. And that means the foundation, base. The foundation is fundamental trades, buying very strong coins. Okay, not coins like ADA. Okay, of course, Bitcoin at times, but very strong coins, and more often selling extremely weak coins that just fundamentally are pathetic, like Luna 2 and other ones that come up. Then using technical analysis for entries and exits. And why is it fundamental trading first? Because most people are doing it wrong. You listen to people on YouTube, or if you've bought a course before, you pretty much got lied to. Okay? I mean, a bunch of squiggly lines on a chart that a first grader could draw. You know, you got one indicator saying go long, another indicator's going short. You'll see on my charts there's 0 indicators. You don't need any indicators, okay? What you need is the correct foundation, which is fundamental trading first. So why? Number one, fundamental trading rules the market long term. Okay, Warren Buffett is a fundamental trader. Notice I said long term. Okay, so Bitcoin's, going to keep going up over the next 5 years. Long term, it's the gold standard. Long term, other coins have no fundamental value. Okay, they're not solving a real world problem. They're garbage. They're garbage coins. They should be sold. You do the market a favor by selling them and getting them out of existence and making money along the way. Trading is ruthless. For every winner, there is a loser. So you really only have two choices: be one of the winners or be a loser. I have no problem being a winner. Now, short-term technicals rule the market. Sure, you can go off that 1 hour chart and you can do that. Short-term, technical trading does have its place. I combine them both, but the base is fundamental trading. Number two reason for fundamental trading: it gives you great conviction in the trade. And you need conviction when you're trading. You're not going to have that with technical trading. Okay, you need the conviction when you're up $20,000, but you're only halfway to your target. And at your target, you'd make $40,000. And in the Discord, member only Discord, I'm saying, hey, don't forget, hold your trade till the target. Hold your trade till the target. Might be 2 more days. Might be 10 more days. Hold your trade till you have great conviction, because you know it's a fundamentally strong coin or it's a fundamentally extremely weak coin. And it's just manipulators and whales and other institutions that try to pump, and brokers do iceberg orders, liquidity checks, spike your stop, especially if they're a bucket shop. They do a lot of different things. Some of the terms I use may be over your head. You can just Google those terms. You also need great conviction for when a trade goes against you. I'm selling this Luna 2 since Monday, June, what day was that? 6th, June 6th, because it's a garbage coin. And, got all the way down below $2 yesterday. and then it pulls up to what, like 350 today. I don't care. My stop's way above that anyway. So you still want conviction when a trade goes against you. So fundamental trading gives you that. All right, number 2 on the list. There's only a few trades per month in my system. This is not a day trade system. This does not take hours per day. It doesn't take much time if you just follow trades. If you want to, learn the trade, you'll learn it through the videos in the member-only Discord. 3, the average hold time is about 3 to 21 days. And I say that, I mean, obviously, you could have like Luna 1 and it just crashes like crazy. I did not trade that one, but I am trading Luna 2. And that one, you would have held that 2 or 3 days. But other trades, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even 4 weeks at times. This is just kind of an average. 4, the leverage increases as the trade goes in our favor. Okay? The leverage increases. So the leverage may start at only a 2x or 3x. Then as it goes in your favor, you may get up to a 10x, 15x, 20x leverage. Okay? This gives you a large RRR. That's reward to risk ratio. You want this to be high. You want to risk 100 to make 300. You want to risk 100 to make 600. Okay? And I'll just shoot straight with you, very honest. About 60% of the trades lose. And I don't care because I know math, and you can do the math too. Your average trade winning 3 times more than your loser, it doesn't matter if you lost 60% of the time. If your average trade is 4 times bigger than the loser, it doesn't matter if you lost 70% of the time. Psychologically, it's not fun, but you'll just get over that as you see this system play out in real time. Especially if you just read about the fundamentals and understand behind it why a certain coin is a garbage coin and has no real world utility. Because after the whales pump it and their bags are up, they're gonna dump it. They're gonna dump it. And I like short selling more than buying because fear is contagious. Markets go down quick. Where up markets, confidence takes a long time to build. Confidence takes a long time to build. So there are 2 different types of trends altogether. 6, there's no fancy indicators or paid charts needed. It is basically standard trend trading and breakout trading with the great RRR and money management. 7 and 8, we're almost done. You only want to risk money you can afford to lose, and you only want to do 5 to 10% max per trade in your trading account. So when I did my Luna 2 trade, I had $20,000 for the trading account. The whole thing's, of course, risk, and then you can trade it with way less emotion when it's your risk money, and you need to do that. And because it's such a weak coin fundamentally, I did a 10% risk, so $2,000. It's just such a fundamentally weak coin. So you only normally you're going to do only a 5% risk. So that'd be like $1,000 on the 20,000. And this must be followed, to keep the risk of ruin low. If you don't know what risk of ruin is, learn that too. Okay? I'm not showing videos with Ferraris. I'm not going to say you're going to make $1 million and all this other stupid stuff. Those guys are lying to you. So watch my money management video, and I'll get deeper into why you need to have proper money management, and then I'll show you position sizing with leverage on charts. 8, we do move the stops to just past break even to lock in just a little bit of profit. So I've already locked in my 2,000. Okay, so that's great. We're not trying to lock in 50% profits and crowd the stop. No, not at all. Okay, remember, it's fundamental trading. It's trend trading. So this system might not be for you. If you like scalping, this is not for you. If you like holding trades for 3 months, this is not for you. This is very specific, and if the rules don't line up, it's not done. But the base is fundamental trading. No squiggly lines, no crazy TA, no crazy stuff you need to memorize and do. So we only move it a little bit profit after the trade is way in our favor. Notice I wrote way in our favor. Okay, the worst thing you want is to crowd your stop, get stopped out for maybe $5,000 profit, then it goes all the way in your favor and you could have made 40 grand. My largest trade last year was SRM, and it was 50,000 profit. Once again, only off of about 2K. Okay. I do not trail the stop tight. You don't do that. I like to give it breathing room until you hit the target, And I'll show you how to do that with very simple swing points. The chart will literally make perfect swing points over and over and over again, chart after chart. I'll explain more in another video. Teaching while giving the live market exact signals is the best way to learn. Excuse my thing here. I'm unconventional. I'm unorthodox. I don't care about the fancy PowerPoint and all these other things, and you're never going to see my face either. So I mean, it's just the way that is, and I frankly don't need your money. So it's not a big deal to me if people are turned off by this style of videos. But just, if you can follow the YouTube for the next 6 months if you want. It doesn't matter to me. I'm not posting that many of the member only trades, but I am giving away the Luna 2 trade. So this is the best way to learn. Watch the exact trade signals while getting the trades. It's called teaching you how to fish, not just handing you a fish. So I think just doing signals is stupid, and I think just teaching without showing live market is stupid too. So you combine them. So, I give you the exact stop on the Luna 2 trade. I'm giving you the exact target. The target's $1. This thing's fundamentally garbage. And that's when the fun's really going to start. A lot of profit off the table, going to keep going. There is a learning curve, and there's really no way to speed up that learning curve. Okay? So, that's why it's a 1-year membership. And so I guarantee after a year, if I get hit by a bus and die, you'll know this very slow, mellow system. It's basically based off the 1-day chart, 4-hour chart, and then we look at the 1 hour for certain entries and exits and adding on. We never add to losers. Losers add to losers. Memorize that. Losers add to losers. And you're also never going to capture the whole trend. The meat is in the middle. The meat is in the middle. Okay, stay away from day trading. Stay away from leverage trading unless you know what you're doing. And I do know what I'm doing on the leverage trading, because you don't start with high leverage right off the bat. Okay. I'm going to release another very weak coin. Let me say that again. 50-50, I'll release it. It just popped up on my radar. It's way overvalued, and it's just ripe to drop. But the members will have that coin. If you are a member, you need to probably watch this video again in about a week. And then in maybe 3 or 4 more weeks, you need to watch this video again. Okay, there's certain things you're just going to have to hear over and over again to really make it, sink in. Here's the big pitch. I don't have a big pitch. If you want to do 1-year membership, it's $1,000. That price will go up to $2,000 this summer because, I don't want to undervalue it. So in there, you'll get member-only videos, and you will have access to ask me questions if I'm online, and chat with other members in the Discord. So that's it. You can DM me if you're serious, and have a great night.